Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're comparing automatic and manual gates to help you decide which one is right for your property. Step 1. Think about convenience. Automatic gates are all about ease. Open with the push of a button or a sensor, without leaving your car. Manual gates, you'll have to get out and open them yourself, which can be a hassle in bad weather or when you're in a rush. Next, consider security. Automatic gates often come with advanced features like intercom systems, cameras, and keypads, enhancing protection. Manual gates, while secure with traditional locks, don't offer the same high-tech options for monitoring and access control. Now, think about cost and maintenance. Automatic gates require a bigger investment upfront, plus ongoing maintenance for the motor and electronics. On the other hand, manual gates are more affordable and lower maintenance, as they have fewer moving parts and don't rely on electricity. Let's recap. 1. Automatic gates offer convenience and extra security but come with higher costs and maintenance. 2. Manual gates are more budget-friendly and reliable but require more effort and may lack advanced security features. Whether you choose automatic or manual, the right gate can elevate your property's security and curb appeal. If this tip helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.